of let's see how to play Minecraft iPad with keyboard and mouse. In the first step, open settings. Later, select Bluetooth and devices. After that, switch on Bluetooth. In the next step, open settings. Later, choose accessibility. After that, activate full keyboard access. In the next step, open settings, then pick touch. Next, turn on assistive touch. In the next step, open settings. After that, choose keyboards. Next, enable dictation. In the next step, open settings, then tap on mouse and trackpad. After that, modify pointer speed. You are good to go.